yes, finally, we're back. After a long break during the summer, I'm gonna finally upload this one video, okay? Now, today I'm gonna show you how to make this Lego puzzle box. But before we begin that, I just want to tell you a few things about this channel. So for the month of July, I've started a summer schedule on which I'll be uploading videos every Wednesday and on the weekend. So there will be more videos coming in every week. Stay tuned. Okay? And also, this is the last episode of Safe Week. Yes. And there are going to be 6 episodes in Safe Week. This is the 6th. Okay? Now let's begin this puzzle box. Okay? So, to solve this puzzle box, unlike other ones where in the previous puzzle boxes I've made, unlike that, you don't have to get any treasure from like opening it. Instead, this is a puzzle, and really a puzzle where you have to put these puzzle pieces correctly in to fit perfectly inside the box. Okay? So I have 6 of these large blocks and 3 of these small blocks. Now I'm just gonna start and show you how to solve it. Okay, now to fill in the small gap here, I'm gonna take this small block and fill in it right there, and this. Now basically this is just a repeat here of what I just did previously. Now to fill in the small center, I'm just going to take this block and place it right there, and this one here, and this here. So there you go. That's how you solve this puzzle box. Now let's begin building it. Okay, so to begin this build, I have this 8x8 base plate and made a small area of smooth tiles at 6x6. Okay, now to begin the puzzle pieces, I'm going to need this 4x4 plate, and this 2x4 brick, another 2x4 brick, and these 2x4 tiles. Okay, that is one puzzle piece. Now I already have the others ready. Okay, and then I'm just going to show you how to make one small puzzle piece. Just place a 2x2 tile on top of the 2x2 brick, along with the 2x2 plate. Okay, so now these are the puzzle pieces, and I'm just going to place them to the side. Okay, now to begin the walls. Okay, so I'm going to take these 2x4 bricks, or 1x4 bricks, sorry. Okay, now this layer, this design is a bit sensitive, so you might want to do something different. Okay, and then these 2 at the top. Now I'm going to do the same thing with another side, these bricks. These bricks. Okay, and then I'm gonna take these bricks, just place them like that. And then just close off and make it a little bit hard, like that. I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other side. And then if you bring in the puzzle pieces, these are the walls of the box. And now I'm going to just take these smooth pieces. So I'm going to fill off the top of my box with these smooth tiles. Okay. And I'm just going to try to interlock them so that my walls stay on sturdily. Just like that. you really liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. And bye, stay tuned.